Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. Lot of people are asking me about manifestation technique. Is there any other effective way? Yes, there is. Instead of writing on a paper, you can use this Bhoj Patra. This is from a wood. So this helps you to get your desired result quicker. So in case if you're in love and you want your love to be successful, or you want your love to end up in marriage, you can write. Always manifestation will be, you have to write your manifestation as if it's already happened. So if you're in love and you want to marry that person, you can write, I'm married to this person, I'm leading a happy life, happy married life. That's how you have to write. And then you write, and then you put manifestation code 1176. You can put, if you're a Reiki practitioner, or if you scroll down my old videos, you'll know there are symbols for love and marriage, so you can put that. And you can use a pink pen because it's love. You can also call Angel Freya. If you have watched my love kit video, obviously you would have known Angel Freya is for love or Chamuel. You can put them here or request the angel to come and roll it up, and then you can tie it around with a pink ribbon or pink thread, and then put it in a honey bottle or keep it in your bedroom. Something very fragrantful. You can even spray your own perfume if you want. And if you were asking for money related issues, you have to write you already got that money. So if you're expecting 5 crores to come into your account, so you have to write, I got 5 crores in my account. And then you can write 1176 as manifestation code. And then there's a money code 3363, or the Zebu coin code 808520741. And you can put all the money symbols as you want. And you can also add an infinity number because you want money to be infinite, right? So you can put an infinity symbol, roll it up, and then use a green thread to tie it and put it in your puja room or a money box. You can even spray some attar or a non-alcoholic perfume on it. Put it in your money box or in your purse or your wallet. It'll enhance, or it'll bring in lots of money and good luck to you.